Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to block contacts on Imo. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap and open Imo application. To block the contacts or some friends on Imo, first you open the conversation of your friends. At the top left, you can see the name of the contacts. You tap on it. Tap on three-dotted horizontal line on top right corner. Here, you can see the option of block. Just swipe the bottom of block. Are you sure want to block this contact? As we are going to block the contact, you tap on yes. As you can see, the contact has been blocked. Also, the whole conversation has been deleted. For the confirmation whether the contacts has been blocked or not, you tap on the profile icon on top left corner, tap on settings, tap on privacy. Here, a little down, you can see the contact section. In the contact section, you can see block list option. Tap on it. As you can see, the contact I just blocked earlier is in my block list. This is how you can block a contacts on Imo. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can block contacts on Imo. Thank you.